What is up, my friends? It's Ray back here. For the past month now, I have been rocking the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses. As a matter of fact, you've likely seen me rocking them in my videos lately. I originally picked them up to capture my trip to Universal's Epic Universe, but they quickly became so much more than just a camera. I use them as blue light glasses at my desk, headphones when I'm out, and since they're transitions, I never really have to take them off. Honestly, I'm surprised it took me this long to give them a try. Now, the new Oakley Meta lineup has arrived, and they're kicking things off with this awesome pair of limited edition HSTN glasses that I have right here. Since I have both of them in my hands, I figured I would do a comparison so you guys can see what the difference is between the Ray-Bans and the Oakleys. Right off the bat, these are two very different glasses that serve different purposes. The Ray-Bans are sleek, classic, and effortless to pair with almost any outfit, which is why I almost always reach for them. They blend seamlessly into my everyday life, whether I'm working at my computer, running errands, shooting a quick video, or even out back weed whacking the yard while listening to music. The Oakleys, on the other hand, are anything but subtle, especially this limited edition here. They're bold, flashy, and almost impossible to miss. The Prism 24K polarized lenses just pop in the sunlight. They make the world around you look incredibly vibrant, and the frame on them is pure Oakley goodness. I've always had a tough time finding glasses that really suit my face, and normally I wouldn't even consider a style like this, but surprisingly, the HSTNs work for me. They're sporty, retro, and offer a completely different vibe than the Ray-Bans do. Since these are sunglasses only, I wouldn't wear them as much day to day. However, they're perfect for vacations, yard work, and really any sunny outdoor activity. When it comes to specs, both these glasses pack similar Meta tech inside. You get hands-free Meta AI, open-ear speakers, and built-in cameras. However, there are some key differences between the two. The Ray-Ban shoots sharp 2K video, and honestly, the quality is surprisingly great. I was impressed with how good the footage looked during my trip to Universal. Photos are crisp as well, making them perfect for capturing quick moments or using Meta AI to scan, identify, and translate text on the fly. The Oakleys, however, step it up a notch with 3K resolution video, and side by side with the Ray-Bans, the difference here is pretty clear, especially outdoors in bright light. If you want the absolute best video quality that you can get from a pair of smart glasses now, the Oakleys definitely take the win. They also have better battery life with up to 8 hours of runtime compared to around 4ish with the Ray-Bans. That said, since the Oakleys are sunglasses only, that extra battery life will only matter most if you're outside all day. Comfort-wise, both of these glasses are super easy to wear for long periods of time. The Ray-Bans just feel so natural that I sometimes wear them all day while I work, even after the battery dies. That's one of my favorite things about them. Their versatility is unmatched. The Oakleys are more sporty, and they're meant for active lifestyles, so they are a little more grippy in the arms to be tighter on your face. When I know that I'm going to be out in the sun, or I want to change up my look, maybe I'm going to be doing some kind of physical activity, working out outside or something like that, they are a joy to wear on your face. They're flashier, a little more rugged, and at the end of the day, they just make you feel cool. So which of these should you get? Should you get the Ray-Bans or the Oakleys? Honestly, it depends on your style preference and what you plan to do with these glasses. If you want something clean and low-key, go with the Ray-Bans. If you want something bold, sporty, and built for the outdoors, the Oakley are going to be the way to go. I am really excited to see where Oakley and Meta go with this lineup here. If they come out with a version that has transition lenses like these do, I am sold. These things are awesome. So that's all I got, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Now, I want to know, which would you rock, the Oakleys or the Ray-Bans? Drop a comment and let me know below. And if you enjoyed this video, you know the drill. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button for much more coming your way soon. Until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace!